food ingredients. To cook rice at home, we take raw rice and cook it in water. Just 2 materials are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. On the other hand, to prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, oil, salt, spices, and so on. The materials which are used to prepare food items are called ingredients. Activity. To find out the ingredients in some food items, choose some of the items you listed in table and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare these by discussing with your friends and elders at home. List them in your notebook as given below. Add some more items to this list.